Houzz Pro is marketed as an all-in-one platform for contractors and designers, but the real question is whether it's actually worth it or just another bloated CRM. Now, the idea behind this isn't hype. It combines CRM, project management, estimates, invoicing, and client communication in one place. That's a real need in construction workflows. However, here's the key point. It's powerful, but not always efficient or cheap. What it actually does well: all-in-one workflow. Leads, proposals, invoicing, and project tracking are integrated, which reduces tool switching. Strong client-facing tools. Professional proposals, 3D visualizations, and client dashboards stand out, especially for design-focused firms. Lead generation advantage. Being part of Houzz gives access to built-in homeowner traffic, which can bring in new clients. Where it falls short: expensive for small teams. Pricing adds up quickly, especially if you're not using a full feature set. Learning curve. The platform is feature-heavy, which can slow onboarding and daily use. Inconsistent CRM depth. Compared to dedicated CRMs, pipeline tracking and automation feel limited. Mixed support experience. Some users report slow responses or difficulty resolving issues. So is it worth it? Short answer: yes, but only for the right type of business. Worth it if you want design plus CRM plus marketing in one platform. Not worth it if you just need a simple, efficient CRM. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.